Before a manufacturing organization starts mass production of a new design, they go through what is called a build phase. In this phase, they build a few proto units of the new design. They test the product and revise the design based on the test results. With the Create Build Plan transaction in Zumen, you can create a plan for the build phase. Only one build plan can be created for a program. However, multiple phases can be created within a plan. The prerequisite for creating a build plan is to have the relevant bills of material, or BOMs, imported in Zumen. Now, let's look at the steps to create a build plan. Go to Menu, Product and Infrastructure Planning, Build Plan, Create. Select the relevant program from the drop-down list. In Variant or BOM, select the relevant BOM code, that is, the relevant top assembly or sub-assembly code. The title of the selected BOM displays in the variant description column. If the design team has provided a reference BOM, select the BOM code in reference variant. This information makes planning easier for all teams involved. For example, the purchasing team can review the sourcing strategy used for the reference BOM and choose to proceed with the same sourcing strategy. In ECO, select the engineering change order or ECO number if there is an ECO relevant to this build. In build location, select the relevant plant ID at which the build will be carried out. If you plan to carry out the build at different locations, click the Add icon below the field to add the other location's details. You can also enter the same location ID and enter different dates. In Build in Charge, select the user who will oversee the build at the location. In Material Availability Target, select the date by which material should be made available so that the build can start as planned. In Build Finish Target, select the date by which the build should be completed. In Product Ship Target, select the date by which the build should be shipped out. In Number of Units in the build, enter the number of units to be built. If you want to add a build plan for another BOM, click the Add icon and enter details like we did now for BOM 2001. To add another phase to the build plan, click Add Phase and enter details like we did now for BOM 2001. You can enter Phase 2 details either at the time of creating the build plan or after Phase 1 is complete. After all the details are entered, click Create. The build plan is now ready. To modify a build plan, hover over the relevant row and click View Build Plan. Modify details here. Or if you'd like to create a new version of the build plan, click Add Revision above the table. The existing build plan is saved as Revision 0 and becomes non-editable. Click Revision 1 and enter the revised build plan details. Click Update Build Data. You have now successfully modified the build plan.